Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to import a specification attribute and specification attribute options and how to map those specification attributes with products using a FoxNetSoft ImportManager plugin. Okay, so let's first import a specification attributes. To do that, we open the ImportManager and create a new template. Okay, entity will be the specification attribute, and the entity key will be a name of that attribute. Okay, name, specification attribute, and source will be folder and path here. Also note that you can use the folder for only those files that are located on the machine that your nopcommerce is located on. So it's like you can specify the folder path if a nopcommerce is located on the server and you want to specify a file from your computer. To do this, you should use a upload file or upload a zip file. Okay, so great. Now let's save and continue edit and set up a column mapping. Okay, so I already have an Excel file. So here it has some sample data, a key and a name. We have test 11, test 21. The key matches name because the key is actually a name by definition. So let's set up a column mapping. Firstly the key and then name. Great. We save it and import it now. Okay, so also don't forget to close the Excel file because the nopcommerce can't access the file if Excel accesses it. Okay, so we have success, updated 2 rows. Let's go directly to specification attributes and see our import. Okay, so it must be in the default group, and here we have our two specification attributes, test 11 and test 20 found. You can also specify another column called display order and set up it too. Okay, great. Let's delete it. Okay, so now we will be importing a specification attribute options. To do so, we need to create a new template. Okay, so entity will be a specification attribute option and entity key and name. That's the name of a specification attribute. Option, import, okay, and a file. Okay, let's copy that and save and continue edit. While it's loading, let's open that file. Okay, great. So here we have a new 3 options. So key, that's our name of a specification attribute, is a screen size. And we'll be adding 3 new options, that's test 12, test 22 and test 32. Okay, so here you can see we have a specification attribute called screen size, and it has some of the specification attribute options already, but we'll be adding 3 more. Okay, let's edit it. Okay, so here are the existing ones, and we will be adding some new. Okay, so let's go to the import templates, directly to the column mapping and set up a column mapping. So first I will be having a key. That's a key of a specification attribute and a name of an option. Here you can see that. Okay, so we close the Excel file, save it and import now. Okay, great. We have success updated 3 rows. So if we go here and reload our page, we must see new elements. Yeah, here there are test 12, test 22 and test 32. Great. Now let's proceed to importing specification. Let's proceed to mapping the specification attributes to products. Okay, so let's go to the templates and create a new template. The entity will be a product specification attribute, and the key will be the SKU. Okay, so name a string that will be noticeable for us, and a file. I'm not sure, product specification, yeah, it was called product specification. Okay, great. And now we save and continue edit and set up a column mapping. We open the specification import. Oh, not a specification import, but product specification. Okay, so here we have a key. That's our SKU of product. Product specification attribute is screen size, option 13 inches, and show true. Okay, so let's go to the column mapping, and first I will be having a key. That's a SKU, then a specification attribute, and then we will be having a show also, and an option. Okay. Let's save it. Also, let's import 15 inches. Okay. Great, we import that now. Oh, sorry, I forgot to close the Excel file. Therefore, we got an error. Actually, you can't read the file because it's being used by another process. So now we have a successful import, and we can actually go to the catalog, products, and see the products that we've imported to. Okay, so it was in the category shoes. The first one I think I chose. Yeah, here they are. That was the SKU that was imported. Okay, so here it is. We go to the specification attributes. And here we can see that we are having this option, screen size, and 15 inches. And we show that on our product page. Okay, so that's all about tutorial about nopcommerce ImportManager plugin. That was a part 5 about specification attributes. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.